Just wanted to make a quick video about drainage. So there's a few different things we're always recommending, and here you can kind of see some of them. So the slope of the yard actually comes down this way and goes towards the house. Uh, this yard has a swale, so this area is built up a little bit. And now right along the middle here is a low point, so that drainage water from the side of the building and from the hill both kind of end up in this area rather than against the house. There's still some separation where the siding is not buried in soil, but basically even where the land's naturally pitched towards the building, the area right around it is pitched away. So that's called a swale. So it gives a path for the water to get around the building. Um, and that's just one thing that you want to add when you're dealing with a yard that pitches away. Now the rest of the house you can see naturally drains away, right? Everything's pitched away. The downspouts are going to into in-ground drains. So one thing that I look at is I try to figure out about how much water I'm going to be dealing with. So if you look at the roof, right? It's a big roof on this house, so there's a lot of water there. So gutters are going to be really important on a house like this. And 1,000 square foot of roof, if you have an inch of rainfall, that's 620 gallons of water. So we're talking about a lot of water. Some houses, you not only have the roof water, but then you have land sloping back towards the basement. And so it acts like a giant funnel, collecting all that water and pitching it towards the foundation. So the fact that we have gutters is great because there's a lot of roof. So that means square footage of rain that's not going to get absorbed. It's going to get collected into the gutters and then go into the downspouts. The other big problem I see is the downspouts don't go anywhere. They just terminate right next to the foundation. So you would just see the bottom of the downspout and all the water would end up right here. You either want to get an extension, a leader going away to this area, or you want to do something like this, an in-ground drain. So you can see there's in-ground drains here, there's gutters. They're collecting all the water and bringing it into a drainage system. And then you can see as we go around the house, there's still plenty of grading, positive grading away from the building. And then this house has a sump pump. You can see the sump pump. First off, here's another in-ground drain, and then there's a sump pump outflow pipe. Sometimes you'll just see the sump pump puts the water right here, and it just weeps back into the foundation and needs to be pumped out again. This is bringing it into another drain that's going to bring the water away, which is a good thing. The other thing about this one is it's frost-free, so should this pipe freeze filled with water, you have an overflow here for the water to come out. So there's a bunch of different things we're talking about with grading, downspouts, drainage, and these are a few examples of the correct way of doing things.